my channel, Lucio, and if this is your first time of joining me, you are most highly welcome. So today I want to quickly show us how I make my American buttercream. Okay, so buttercream is a popular will I call it a dessert or frosting that it's used for covering cakes or fillings or whatever you like. You can just use it to fill your donuts or do fillings for your cake, or you can use it to cover your cake. So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the video. So today I have my butter. I'm using Topper butter brand. That's what I'm using, and this is my icing sugar. I've already sifted it. Make sure you sift it to avoid lumps. And this is my milk. I'm using liquid milk, right? So I'll first of all start creaming my butter, just to make it have that white creamy color. Okay, and also double the volume, right? If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, help us share this video, share it with your friends and family. I'll go ahead and scrape the sides. Go on again. So as you can see, the color is different now, and it's kind of creamier. I'm going to go ahead and add the icing sugar slowly, so it will not splash everywhere, one after the other. Don't add everything at the same time. Just use this to incorporate it first before I'll start mixing it. I want it to scatter everywhere. So you can even add it with, can start the mixer already, but on low heat, on low, yeah, it has to be low, so it will not make a mess of everywhere. So you keep mixing it till it's smooth, but make sure that you do not over mix. Make sure that you do not over mix it. So have you subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel so that I'll be encouraged to keep posting good things in this channel. I'll really appreciate that. Please, thank you very much. So after scraping this side, I'll go ahead and add my milk. I'll just be alternating it. Milk, icing sugar, milk, icing sugar. All right. So the last thing to add is my flavor. I'm using vanilla flavor, just for it to be nice. And I'm going to use half teaspoon. My buttercream to have that interesting and good aroma. Remember, when you finish mixing it, you can use your spatula to just like tap it like this, so that all the eggs that mix together will just will reduce when you are working on it with whatever you're working on it with. So guys, do feel free to subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends. They might learn something. Okay, super yummy. Thank you guys. Bye bye.